everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie. BB wants to play. I have a diamond painting unboxing for you, but I thought I'd get the puppies to show up for a little bit. I think Charlie's getting used to this camera. He's not as skittish. He's a scaredy little boy. He's a scaredy cat. Here's one of the many I have to unbox. But I wanted to share with you my new trays. I got these. They're sold by a company called Archer's Arts. Look how pretty they are. That's the teal and that's the purple. And here's the funnel in the side, and they have very nice defined grooves inside here. I like the way the funnel is on the corner, and I just love the colors. And I also ordered a grinder from them. This is a diamond grinder. If you're in the groups much, the Facebook groups, you see all the questions of how do I separate the drills that are just spot welded together. Well, you can use this grinder. You put the drills that are stuck together in here, and you place this on top and twist it. You don't press down, you just gently twist it. And it's supposed to separate your drills for you. And I love that it came in this beautiful little bag with a little thank you sticker. And I love the colors. Anyway, I'll put a link to the group in the description. It's a group on Facebook, and then you can go, once you're in the group, you can go to their store. They have special colors. I think they do all this with a 3D printer. That's how they get all these great colors and things. And I saw special edition silver and gold. Okay, let's get back to the diamond painting. Anyway, I like to share the things that I find like that, things that make me happy. Wow. Okay, this is I forgot what the name of this was. Something about the clouds. It is a 60 by 30. There's the image. And I will put it up for you. These colors just got me. I had to get it because of these colors. Look at these colors. Just beautiful. It has a nice toolkit of a green bow. It's a little bigger than normal, I think. Feels bigger, with the open end and a single pink pen, tweezers, pink wax, and some bags. Let's take a look at the canvas. I just love these colors. They're so beautiful. Shades of orange. Orange. How do you say orange? 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 I grew up in New Jersey where I said orange. Then I moved to Connecticut where I said orange. And I married a man who says orange. I never knew there were so many ways to say that word, but okay. The Jersey, Connecticut thing always cracks me up. I had a recording once of like a greeting. We used to send these little greetings to my grandmother who lived in Colorado on we used to send little tapes back. My mom used to send little tapes back and forth of us playing the piano or singing or just saying, just saying hello. And to hear us kids with our cute little New Jersey accents, and boy, they were thick accents. It's pretty funny. This is really, really well taped up. Come on, BB, help me. She can't. She's guarding. She's waiting. It's almost time for Daddy to be here. So they taped this really well and rolled it around a foam roller. This one is long and thin, 60 by 30, like I said. There's some foam. And I like this one because it doesn't feel, it's big, it's long, but it doesn't feel unwieldy. It's only 30 on the one side, 60 by 30. So it's gonna be a good one to work with size-wise. Because it's big, but it's not big, you know? Oh. And it's just beautiful clouds. You know, it's like a sunset. Here we go. It's a full drill square. I'm going to hold it up close so you can see the symbols. They're very clear. Very detailed and mixed in. Serious confetti. This will be fun. Baby went away. She's barking at somebody. It's a beautiful sunny day today. It's cold though, but as long as it's sunny, I'm good. I'll go outside and get some vitamin D. Okay. Now, if you're new to diamond painting and you're like, why did you just peel that up and then put it back down? When it has this paper on it, if you peel it all up and then lay it back down, now it will lay flat on my stash and it won't be all wrinkled and rolled up. So that's it. All the information will be in the description on ordering this one. It is just lovely. I don't know that I knew it was a square when I ordered it though. It's pretty big. Full drill square. Number of colors, 7, 10, 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, 30, 35 colors. That is beautiful. And I'm going to put my new stuff away and use it. So I don't have to, with the grinder, I won't have to pick through my drills all the time, looking for ones that aren't stuck. Sometimes it can be quite a chore. So that's the end. You have a great day. Take care and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.